welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be sharing with you my installation review today. Hi guys, so I just got my order from Naija Beauty. This is from DHL. I'm going to open it. Super excited, I can't wait. So I got this, and I can't wait to see. Wow. I love this hair, like it came really soft and so fine. This is lovely. On my way to get it installed, to be honest with you, it's actually glueless, but the fact that I don't trust myself when it comes to cutting or stuff like this, just have a feeling I'm going to mess it up. So instead of doing it by myself, I feel I should just let someone install it for the first time. This is what they will do.
Your leg is not clean.
Yeah, let me show you. I came to greet these girls. I don't know. Oh, I came to pay these girls a visit. Where is Bolu? Just look at them.
I can't show you.
Nǹkan tó tàn gbogbo lé sí. Idiot. See her phone though. When the phone was looking good, she did not even package it like this.
Is this the leg?
Yes.
Joy finally succeeded in making me come out. Don't come out. It's because of rapper. You that.
Fine girl.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your name, where are you calling from?
No, I think it's closer if you go to church across to the other side.
Let's start from Ikorodu.
Like at the beginning of that
You sing this song?
police station side.
No.
But you know the person where singer? Who be the person?
Yemi Alade.
So I can break my hair. Damn, believe it or not, I'm a fine girl. Like, just look at it. Just take a look. Sorry, I could not show you guys the cutting of the wig, like the cutting of the net part and all. I got so relaxed that I forgot I was doing a vlog. But maybe next time I will show you guys.
The disbursement of the facility, so we give them the money and then they online to the end beneficiaries. Like I said earlier, we've given the this one I think I have over 5 billion to over 6,000 beneficiaries, to over 350,000 people have applied, and then continuous processing of those applications. So we're calling more of our.
Here comes your melanin queen. She's looking all gorgeous, like really gorgeous. She's a fine girl now. What do you expect? Okay, so this is everything done with the installation. Still looking good. Looking good as always, you know. So guys, I just got my hair. I feel really good.